Question number 4. How does the teacher manage the classroom to assure students are fully engaged in the lesson? To answer question number 4, I looked at 3 particular elements of each lesson: room arrangement, how the teacher managed the class, and student interaction. Video number 1 on comparing numbers.
So right here we have 2 frogs, and how many frogs do we have here, Macy? We have 8 frogs, and they're nicely organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8. We have 5 in the first row, and then we have another 3. Okay, so what do you think? He's really, really hungry. Do you think he would rather eat 2 frogs or 8 frogs? Right? 8 frogs, you want to move them in the middle of that? Gotta take the words with you, right? Right under there. Okay, so Zach, why is he gonna, why, is that right? Do you think that's right? So he always eats the bigger set of frogs, so 2 is more than 8? No, do you think that's right? No, do you want to go change that, Mr. Alligator? Don't double click on this one. Okay. Oh, there are the words. Okay, that's fine. Good. Okay, so does
Number
that
1,
look
room
better?
arrangement. In this video, the students are arranged in a large group on the floor in front of the Promethean board. Number 2, management. The teacher has all of the students' attention. They are actively participating and very interested in the lesson. The teacher asks questions and children raise their hands to answer the questions. She stands at the front of the classroom and calls students to the board to answer those questions. Number 3, student interaction. Students are given the opportunity to say out loud whether the answer the children gave or the child has given is correct or not correct, and they are able to correct their answers. Video number 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I already should have known I had 10 in that row, right? Plus 2, 4, 6. All these go away. So let's do 16 plus. Let me give you a good number. This is number 3. 16 plus 5 equals how much? Tiffany?
I know.
21, let's see, 16, 18, 20, and 1 makes my 5. Good. Okay. Who can tell me the so part? So, what minus what equals what? Let me see, this marker's already getting dry. Antonio.
It is
So,
21 minus 5 equals 16.
you got it. Awesome job.
Number 1, room arrangement. Students are working in a large group arranged at their seats, which are set up in groups of 5 to 6 students. Number 2, management. Students raise their hands to answer the question. The teacher walks around checking work. Number 3, student interaction. Students are happy when they get the answer correct and are rewarded with the roll of Smarties. Video number 3, a vocabulary lesson.
What do you think? Which one do you think is a good description and definition of one of our vocabulary words?
Superman is very powerful.
Superman is very powerful. What a great example of our first vocabulary word. Not all of our vocabulary words have pictures to match them up here, but some of them do. Let's do 1 or 2 more. Liam, what do you think?
I heard.
Okay, Michaela?
Food.
should help you describe.
Number 1, room arrangement. In this video, students are sitting on the floor in a large group in front of the Promethean board. Number 2, management. The teacher stands at the front of the class, asks questions, students raise their hands and enjoy the pictures related to their vocabulary terms. Number 3, student interaction. Students are all actively listening and participating. Video number 4, Constitution Day.
Good-looking fellows on the board. So what I want you to do is talk with your table about who you think these people might be. And I got one hint before you start talking. It has to do with the special day that today is. Remember what special day it is today? Constitution Day, right? So talk with your table about who these people might be.
Or the one to the right.
Hocus pocus? I didn't hear anybody say that one of these two is my dad, so that's great, because because they're not. But I heard many people say that one of them was George Washington, and I think you're right. One of them is George Washington. Well, pull up.
Number 1, room arrangement. Student desks are arranged in groups. The students are asked to work together in those groups, and we see that that happens immediately. Number 2, management. The teacher is in full control of the classroom. Teacher, hocus pocus. Students, time to focus, and the group is silent and ready to listen for new instruction. Number 3, student interaction. Students are completely engaged, first by listening, then communicating within their groups, and finally in their feedback to the teacher. In conclusion, we learned a great deal. Each teacher demonstrated wonderful classroom management and assured student engagement. Technology is a must today, and we demonstrated a great deal of technology within this video. We all feel that this has given us a chance to look at ourselves and make improvements. No one is perfect. The end. Any questions? Thank you.